Tesla stock is roughly trading at $439 right now. And based on the valuation, the market's basically saying that Tesla has already won. But when you look at what the business is actually producing today, there's a gap. And that gap is actually where investors can get hurt or actually get paid. Because Tesla has two versions. Version 1, Tesla is just a car company with software on top of that. And version 2, Tesla actually is autonomy plus robotics. This is where the real value is derived. And when you look at it from that perspective, the valuation sort of starts to make sense. In the next 10 minutes, I'm gonna run Tesla stock through 3 key tests. And then at the end, I'm gonna give you my shocking price prediction for this stock. And the one assumption you have to believe for Tesla to justify this price. If you own Tesla stock or you're thinking about buying, it all comes down to one key question. Is Tesla a car company with software on top of it, or is it actually an AI company wearing a car company mask? Because what you need to know is that the valuation is already priced for the second scenario. And look, I'm not here to hype it, and I'm certainly not here to hate it either. I'm here to show you the numbers that force Tesla stock to go into one or two paths. And after we run this test, you'll see exactly where my price prediction is at. Let's start with the uncomfortable part. Tesla's current P/E ratio is roughly around 300 depending on the source, and the price to sales ratio around 16. For context, most car companies actually trade at a fraction of the price to sales ratio. Tesla actually trades like a very premium software company. This is not automatically wrong, but it means the stock is essentially priced for perfection. Now look at the business performance. In Q3 of 2025, Tesla's operating margin was around 5.8%, and the operating income fell 40% year over year. Revenue was up, but cost and spending jumped, especially around AI and research and development. But here's the key. At this valuation, Tesla stock doesn't need to be good. It needs to get better fast. And the next micro test is gonna show why getting better fast is actually harder than most people think. First, we have the market growth. You hear numbers somewhere between 5.5% for the growth of the EV market as a whole, usually referring to long-term kind of forecast. But in the real world, EV adoption is in some kind of line curve. In some years, it actually surges, and then in other years, it actually falls. And when growth isn't effortless, then the competition gets ruthless, and the competition for Tesla keeps strengthening. The IEA points out that China is the hub of electric vehicles in the entire world right now, responsible for a massive share of EV production. And the Chinese builders have been building strong leads now for years and years. In 2025, Tesla reported roughly 1.6 million in vehicle deliveries, but the battlefield is only getting tougher, with BYD's momentum and other competitors creating real pressure for the company. And this spans across price, margins, and growth. But here's the question. If the competition keeps squeezing the margins, what exactly are you paying for when the P/E ratio for Tesla is around 300? And this is where we talk about the subscription business of Tesla. This is mostly the full self-driving capabilities that the company offers for an additional cost of the price of the car. And this is a subscription that comes down to $99 per month. At that price, that turns out to be $1,188 per year. Even if millions subscribe, you still have to ask how many people will actually pay monthly? Will they stay subscribed? And is this something that actually applies at scale? And how fast does this move Tesla's fundamentals versus what's already priced into the stock? Because the next section is where Tesla either becomes a normal company or something different. Something a lot more special. Remember, for the whole video, there's essentially one final boss battle. And this is the battle of self-driving autonomy as well as robotics. If Tesla cracks autonomy, it's no longer just selling cars, but it's also selling miles, time saved, and labor. This is why Tesla stock can look insanely overvalued, but at the same time, this valuation can be realistic in the future. Tesla's own results show investments that are very significant in the AI space, as well as significant volatility in its margins and profitability. So the market's essentially saying, we'll forgive today's financial results for you right now for the promise of domination in the future. And this is a very dangerous proposition if this doesn't arrive fast enough. All right, now let's move into the price prediction for the stock. Here's the takeaway. Okay, so for Tesla stock, you can see this is my model, and it's very simple because it allows you to then see under different scenarios what could happen to Tesla stock. And again, it's better to be approximately right than precisely wrong. And for this reason, in this scenario, we have a revenue growth of around 6%, which is fairly doable for the company given that it has grown faster periods before, and also that it does have some opportunities in the market to be able to achieve this. And then right now I estimate a potential price to sales ratio compression of around 8. So going from the old kind of 16 ratio that the company's at right now to 8, I think is quite reasonable. And then 10%, just given where the interest rates are headed, makes sense. So this gives us a price per share of roughly $200 per share. For the bear case, we have something a little bit similar, but of course we have lower growth, which for the last year Tesla's actual growth was around 1%, so 3% is actually very conservative. And then with this kind of growth, of course we would see higher price to sales ratio multiple compression. So in this case we would go to something like a 6, which would lead to the actual price per share of Tesla being around $128, obviously significantly more than the current stock price, which is around $438. To share my final price prediction for Tesla stock, I just want to share that this model is easily available. You can download it. Just feel free to comment valuation in the comments and somebody in my team will send you the link. This works directly with Wisesheets, which is an add-on for Excel and Google Sheets that allows you to pull in all this data automatically for your models. So that, let's say instead of Tesla, I was analyzing another company like Apple, I could change the ticker, get all of the data automatically updated, change my assumptions, run my tables like I'm showing you right now, and you can see that all of the data and all of the numbers will be automatically updated for you. You can click in the description to get a free trial. Lastly, we have my bull case. So this is a scenario where Tesla would be able to significantly improve and launch its improvements of the robotic systems that they're developing and the AI autonomous software for its vehicles. Assuming that they can do this, I see that it's reasonable that the company can achieve 15 to 20 to even like 30% revenue growth, depending on how they execute on this idea, how fast it takes to roll it out, and then how willing are the authorities and the regulators to be able to allow them to make this happen. So yeah, this could be anywhere from like 15 to like 20% growth, and then the terminal price to sales ratio, I believe in that case would be quite high, because then essentially the company would indeed become a software company or an AI company. So in that case, like something like, who knows, maybe like a 20 or something, or like a 15 actually makes sense for the company. So at that point, then there's actual upside for the current stock price. So this would leave somewhere between like 800 to like, you can get as high as like $1,000 per share. Currently the stock is trading at $439, so there would be upside. So basically the only scenario where this would actually make sense to invest in Tesla is in some kind of scenario like this. Tesla stock isn't trading on car demand anymore. It's trading on whether or not Tesla becomes the first company that can scale autonomy as well as robotics. Everything else like EV deliveries, margins, etc. matters, but mostly because it gives Tesla more resources as well as time to actually implement its master plan. And with a P ratio of close to 100, the market isn't pricing very good, it's actually pricing legendary execution. With that being said, let me know in the comments what your price prediction for Tesla stock is and what you're doing about it, and I'll see you in the next one.